Attention realtors, want to wow potential buyers and sell homes faster? Meet TidyTex Home Cleaning, your go-to partner for making properties irresistible. We know that first impressions matter, especially when it comes to real estate. A clean, inviting home can be the difference between a sale or a pass. Our reliable, veteran-owned service in San Antonio specializes in quick turnarounds, ensuring your listings shine just in time for that all-important open house or buyer visit. Our attention to detail will elevate your property showings, giving buyers a space they've dreamed of. We're not just about cleaning, we're about creating an experience that helps you close deals quicker. Here's a tidy tip. Open all the blinds and turn on the lights before a showing. It brightens the space, making it feel warm and welcoming, enticing buyers to imagine their future within those walls. So, are you ready to take your listings to the next level? Check the video description for our contact info. Visit app.tidytex.us or text us at 210-951-8206. Let's make those homes shine and get them sold today.